Hello everyone, myself Nikita Khande and today my subject is Angular component and module in Java. So first of all discuss about the what is the Angular. Angular is a platform and framework for a building single page client application on HTML and TypeScript. It is also known as Angular. Angular is a 7 file of component mainly used in a project. First folder is a SRC folder. This folder which is included in a main code file related to your Angular application. Then app folder. The app folder which contain the file you have created for a app component means class and module means package. Then app dot component dot css file. This file is generated by the cascading style sheet which is applied in a app component. Then app.component.html file, the file which is related to the HTML file related to the template of the which is used in Angular 2 of the component. Then app.component.space.ts file, this file which is generated by the testing file related to the file which is used in along with component. Then app.component.ts file, this is the important TypeScript of the file which is related in a logic behind the concept of the Angular. Then discuss about the Angular module. First Angular module is the app module .ts. This module which is generated by TypeScript which is included in all the dependency for the website. Component declare and the component to be bootstrap. Then package.json file, J is JavaScript object and object notation file which is used in a npm configuration file. It includes detail about your website package. Then package.log.json file, this is a auto generated file and notified file that generated related to the node.module.package file. Then Angular JSON file, it is a very important configuration of related to your database and application which is used in a structure your app include in a setting associated with your application. Then git ignore the file related to the source code in a git. Then configuration, this file is a simple file which is generated by maintain consultancy in a code of the related. Then folder index.html file, this file which is included in a entry file and high level of content in an application. Then asset folder resource which image and locals and translation. Then ts configuration.json file, then ts configuration of app.json file. This is all about the Angular component and Angular module. So thank you all of you.